Deputy Commissioner Karibhoi District Dr Abhishek Saini IAS mentakasngi ula pelaj paidbah ya ka Draft Electoral Roll jong baroh 5tylli ki constituency ki badon ha ka district hadin bela pendep pura 6% ya ka special intensive revision ya kane ka Draft Electoral Roll la IT ru shakin nongmi khma jong giseng sain perthei bapher ha ka jingyalang ka bala penlong ha kamra trikam jong Deputy Commissioner hanongpo ha kane ka jingyalang la sakilang ru daki officer sarkar na Ribhoi District ki Electoral Registration Officer jong ki constituency bapher rangkat bar ki nong yalam jong giseng sain perthei bapher ki badon ha ka district.
So today we called the representatives from all the political parties and to hand them over the draft electoral roll that has been prepared after the first phase of the SIR exercise. And all the political party representatives were here, also in the presence of the EROs and AEROs of all the 5 constituencies falling under the Ribhoi district, that is Mauhati, Nongpo, Jirang, Umsning and Umroi. And we have handed them over the electoral rolls.